Hello everyone and welcome back to the Dork Side. I'm the Dork in my garage and today I'm going to share with you a quick tip for removing these pesky stickers from your brand new motorcycle. That's right everyone, I am the Dork on the road and I want to be your internet riding buddy, so please consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you know when I post awesome new dual sport and adventure motorcycling content just like this. So anyone who's ever bought a new motorcycle knows that it comes with a bunch of these legally required yet incredibly annoying stickers. Sometimes they're on the tail, sometimes they're on the tank. Having ridden for a few years, I'm fully aware that I'm supposed to wear a helmet, eye protection, protective clothing, and read my owner's manual. I don't need a sticker on the back of my motorcycle reminding me of that every time I get on it. So I want to take these off. There's lots of schools of thought for how you take these off. Some people go razor blades, some people go chemicals, but the best tactic that I've ever found involves heat. Let me show you the tool I'm working with. This is a heat tool. My wife is a crafter, so this is a heat gun. But if you can heat up these stickers, they come right off. They'll peel off super easy, and it's easy to get the residue and stuff off too, and then afterward you just kind of hit it with a little bit of cleaner, and it's good to go, good as new. You may not have a heat tool hanging around your house, but I'm guessing there might be a hairdryer nearby, or you could find one at a thrift store. So a hairdryer will do the trick. It just doesn't get quite as hot, so it might take a little bit longer. But all I'm going to do is heat up these stickers, and then start peeling them up from the edge, and hopefully they'll come up very quickly and easily. No problems. Sorry, the birds are very noisy in my neighborhood. So here they are, the stickers on my beautiful DRZ 400. This one I kind of want to keep because it's nice to have the tire pressure. It's weird that it's not on the swing arm, but whatever. Let's take off the owner's manual reminder sticker first. So I'm just going to fire this up. You just want to try to heat the whole thing until it gets just about hot to the touch. If it's not hot to the touch, you're probably not loosening up the glue very much, or not enough. It's an old trick I learned in my days when I worked at Hollywood Video back in the day, and we had to put labels on and take labels off things a lot. And be careful not to take off the Suzuki label. I actually want that one. When it gets pretty hot to the touch, you can start trying to peel up the edge. You'll know pretty quickly whether or not it's going to work. Oh yeah, see that? Look at that, yeah, and then just keep heating it. God, this thing gets hot. Just make sure the rest of it's hot as you take it off. Look at that. Look at that. Could not be easier, seriously. Next sticker, and I already tried to peel this one off and realized the error of my ways. So that's why the edge is funky. But that took less than a minute to heat up and take off. Again, just want to wait till it's kind of hot to the touch. And then start your peel. Don't let it cool off, that's the thing, once you go. Oh. I got a little pull there, but not too bad. Keep it warm. Yeah, it's coming. Ooh, this one's got it's got like a protective layer on top. Got a double layer effect. If it gets too hot, it'll come apart on you. Ta-da! Like it was never there. All right, last one. This one I kind of want to save. I don't know, I might try to peel it off and stick it back on chain guard or something. So I'm gonna try to save it. We'll see. Maybe I don't want to get it quite as hot. Definitely warm is good. See how easy it peels up when it's warm? Oh yeah. Beautiful. See how long it lasts, but my guess is... Yeah! Look at that! Bonus relocation trick. That's gonna be good. I don't know why it wasn't there in the first place, but whatever. Okay, and you can see on the fender, there are just like a vague outline, but there is no residue. That's just where I got this dirty. So I'm just going to hit that with a cleaning wipe, and it'll be all good. So this is just a Clorox wipe. I'm just going to hit this and get the rest of that residue off. You won't even know it was there. Seriously. This is really... Yeah, there's not even any gunk to pick up. You just can tell because it was clean underneath the stickers. So that's it. That's the fastest, easiest way that I've ever found to take stickers off of a motorcycle, or really anything. This will work with labels on anything, but no razor blading, no scrubbing, no ticky-tacky trying to pull the residue off. Heat it up, peels right off. It's clean as new. Look at that. You can't even tell it was on there. So if you have any questions about the process or anything, please leave me a comment. Don't forget to hit that like button if you got some useful information out of this video. Also want to give a big shout out to my patrons. Thank them for being super awesome. And if you're real crazy, you might even thinking about joining them to help produce future dorky motorcycling content. But for now, I just want to say thank you very much. And as always, please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you. Excellent!